Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete an offer on Vinted in 2026. So if you made an offer by mistake, now you have changed your mind or you have found a better deal somewhere else, don't worry, Vinted does give you ways to cancel or remove an offer, but it totally depends on the situation. So first of all, you need to come here on vinted.com. Afterwards, log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here, click on your profile icon, then click on the option of My Orders. Over here, you are going to see whether the orders are in progress, completed, or cancelled. So the first method is of cancelling the offer before it is even getting accepted. So this is one of the simplest case. If the seller hasn't accepted your offer yet, you can just simply remove it directly. For that, you can also go to the messages section here by clicking on this message icon. So here you can open the chat where you sent the offer. You will see your active offer shown in the conversation. Simply click on the offer and choose the option of cancel the offer. Once you confirm it, the offer disappears immediately and the seller can no longer accept it. So this works only if the offer is still pending. Now, if you don't see the cancel button, don't panic. Sometimes Vinted locks the offer, especially if the seller is viewing it. So in this case, you just have to simply message the seller politely and you can say something like this. Hi, I made this offer by mistake. Could you please decline it? When the seller declines the offer, it is going to be removed instantly. Most of the sellers are very understanding and they do this very quickly. So if the offer was accepted, the situation would be different. So once an offer is accepted, it turns into an order. At that point, you can't actually delete the offer, but you can cancel the order. So you need to come here on this order page, and here you are going to see all of the orders that are in progress. So simply select the order which you want to cancel. You are surely going to find the cancel order option. Select the reason of the cancellation. The transaction is going to immediately support as you confirm the cancel option, and no shipping label will be created. Just remember to cancel quickly before the seller ships the item. So that's how you can delete or remove the offer on Vinted in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.